What's up, social mafia? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video you're going to learn how to optimize your bio description like a pro. Let's begin. Bio description, or in other words, the first part of your Instagram, is what a new user see when he or she comes to your Instagram page. This is really important to dedicate some time and research and make your bio description appealing and representable of your brand, and as well as make it searchable. So in this video we are going to learn step by step how you can optimize your bio description and make it attractive so the user can definitely follow your account. Let's begin with the first step. The first step is going to be your image. If you're an influencer and you represent your own personal brand, then it's really important to put a picture of your face as close as possible. Alright, so your image, because it's really small, should be close up shot of yourself. If you're a brand, then here you can go for two different options. The first option is placing your logo as your profile picture. However, logo not always represents what is your brand about. So when people see your account in search, the first thing they see is your picture. And if, for example, you're selling dresses and your logo is just a couple words saying like, I don't know, Milena brand or something like this, that's not really clear what exactly your brand is doing. So in this case, it makes sense to put a piece of your product or service on the picture and use it as your bio profile picture. If your logo represents your brand and if there is something depicted that connects to what you're selling, then you can go ahead and use your logo as your main profile picture. The second thing the users see is the first line, so basically your name. You can edit this first line by going ahead and click on edit profile, and then you're gonna see this name. The first name that users see is a searchable. What that means, you're typing in search on Instagram. Let me show you how it's working with the search. So I'm on the search page and I'm gonna look for fitness coach. I'm just gonna write fitness coach, and you can see people who appeared on the search page corresponds to my request, so basically to the keywords. Alright, so you can see here an example, online fitness coach, and that is how basically a person can find your Instagram profile by searching. The first part of it, of course, can be the name of your brand. So if you use in your profile picture already your name, don't use it again because people can already see what's the name of your brand. Instead, use the space for describing your brand and what exactly you're doing. Don't be over creative in this part because you have to make it searchable. That means you have to see what kind of keywords people use in order to find your brand. You can use Google and start writing your keywords that can explain what your business is doing and see what suggestions Google give you, because that's how people are searching for your brand or for your products or services. For example, it can be catering services in New York. Very self-explanatory, and it would be really easier for people to find your Instagram profile and the services that you are offering. Try to make it as simple as possible and see what keywords people are using to find your product or service. Make your Instagram searchable for other people. The second part of your bio description should contain some information or unique selling proposition, USP. So it's really nice to put in couple words your story, what's your story brand, how do you represent your brand, and so on. Give it kind of a face and a little history or anything that can be valuable to describe your brand. For example, in my personal Instagram account, I'm sharing like a little story that I have already gained quite a decent amount of followers in my previous account and I'm starting a new one from zero. Something catchy, a little story in couple lines. This information is not that important. What's important is gonna be next. The next part and the last part of your bio description should contain any call to action, CTAs. So for example, you are a catering company and you offer on your website online booking. So go ahead and write book us online and then make an arrow smiley, and then the next part is going to be your website link. So make sure to add any call to action, or for example, you are accepting requests in DMs or emails or anything like that, or it can be even a phone number. Just write call us, book us immediately, or shop online. What also can be triggering and motivating people to go to your official website is offering some something special for them. That can be any freebie, free ebook, or even a discount for your first purchase. If you provide any kind of digital services, you can create a free ebook, and that's how you're gonna get an email of your customer, and the customer is going to get something valuable for free in return. The next part of your bio description, as already mentioned, will be your website. To put a website link into your bio description, you have to press button edit profile and then insert your website link into the website gap. Well, if you're using Google Analytics and it's important for you to track from where the traffic is coming, you can use tracking links and build a link based on Instagram platform. However, you can place only one website into this gap, but if you would like to give them more opportunity, for example, you have YouTube channel, like in my case, I also have an official website. I also have several freebies that I want people to grab once they start to check on my Instagram profile. You can use free services, Linktree. You can create a little page. When they click on this link, then they're gonna see several buttons which you're gonna connect with different links that you have or with different platforms that you want your users to visit as well. And the last part of your bio description should be, of course, email, phone number, get direct, and so on. You can really customize your buttons. For example, if you prefer to work via email, then leave just email, and then people can click simply on this button and they can send you email directly. Or if you prefer to work via phone, then leave your phone number so people easily can contact you. If you own a business that has a physical address, it's a physical shop or physical agency or anything similar, you can go ahead and add your location as well. In order to add your physical location, you have to click again edit profile, and then once you're in edit profile, click contact options, and here you can add your email, your business phone number, and as well as choose your address if you have any physical address. And if you don't have a physical address and you focus on a specific geolocation, then make sure to add the city where you are personally located, because that's how Instagram will also suggest your profile to the users who are located within the same area. Alright, that was it for today. I hope this video was useful for you. Go ahead and optimize your bio description for search, because this is really essential in order to make your Instagram look nice and appealing for your new followers, and as well as searchable for the users who are not following you yet. If you like this video so far, make sure to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit the notification bell in order to not miss any of my videos. If there is any topic you want me to cover in the future videos, make sure to list them in the comment section, because I create content based on your requests.